Ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find, knock and the door will be open to you. Jesus. Have you ever looked up at the night sky, feeling a strong desire to connect with something greater than yourself? Something vast and mysterious, yet familiar? Connecting with the universe isn't just about staring at the stars or wishing on a shooting star. It's about tuning into the subtle energies that are all around us, and aligning ourselves with the flow of the universe. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to lose sight of our connection to the universe. But what if I told you that beneath the chaos and noise, there lies a profound opportunity to commune with the cosmos and tap into its infinite wisdom? So, how do we embark on this journey of connection? How do we unlock the secrets of the universe and attune ourselves to its boundless abundance? It all starts with mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, and paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. By practicing mindfulness in our daily lives, we create space for the universe to work its magic, and open ourselves up to its guidance and wisdom. In the words of Thich Nhat Hanh, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. When we take the time to truly be present, we allow ourselves to experience the beauty and wonder of life that surrounds us. By embracing mindfulness, we cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and the universe, unlocking the potential for growth and transformation. But mindfulness is just the beginning. Visualization and intention are also powerful tools for connecting with the universe. By imagining our desires clearly and with purpose, we send out a clear signal to the cosmos, and set the wheels of manifestation into motion. And intention is like a guiding light, leading us toward our deepest desires and dreams. When we set clear intentions and align our actions with our highest purpose, the universe conspires to support us in incredible ways. As Wayne Dyer said, our intention creates our reality. When we set positive intentions, we pave the way for positive outcomes in our lives. Visualization and intention are distinct yet complementary tools for manifesting our desires. Visualization helps us clarify and focus on our desires. Intention empowers us to take deliberate steps towards their realization. Together, they create a powerful synergy, setting the wheels of manifestation into motion and drawing the support of the universe towards our goals. Remember what Rumi said, "You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop." This quote reminds us of our connection to the universe and the vastness of our own being. Imagine you're sitting by the ocean, watching the waves come and go. You close your eyes and imagine all the good things you want in your life, like being healthy, having friends, and feeling happy. This is called visualization, and it can help us bring our dreams to life. As Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution." Finally, connecting with the universe is about cultivating a deep sense of love and gratitude for all of creation. When we approach life with an open heart and a spirit of generosity, we become channels for divine energy to flow through us, allowing miracles to unfold. Gratitude is the cornerstone of this connection, as it opens our hearts to the abundance that surrounds us. By acknowledging the blessings in our lives, big and small, we amplify the positive energy within and attract even more blessings. Marcus Aurelius once said, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." Practicing gratitude allows us to recognize the precious gift of life and the interconnectedness of all things. As we express gratitude for the present moment and all that it offers, we create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves, touching the lives of those around us. Through the practice of gratitude, we not only deepen our connection with the universe but also cultivate a profound sense of joy and fulfillment in our lives. So, let us pause each day to give thanks for the gifts of existence, knowing that gratitude is the key to unlocking the infinite blessings of the universe. As quoted by Melody Beattie, "Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life." It turns what we have into enough, and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. It turns problems into gifts, failures into success, the unexpected into perfect timing, and mistakes into important events. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. When we connect with the universe, we realize that we're all part of something bigger. We're all connected, and love is what binds us together. Let's embrace this journey with open hearts and open minds, recognizing that we're integral parts of a grander whole. Let's marvel at the majesty of the universe, drawing inspiration from its boundless beauty and profound wisdom. And as we journey onward, let's commit to exploration, learning, and growth, unraveling the universe's mysteries and awakening to the endless possibilities within us. Next time you look up at the sky or feel the warmth of the sun on your face, remember that you're part of something amazing. Embrace that connection and see how it brings more love and happiness into your life. So explore your connection with the universe and join us for more content on spirituality and self-discovery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this quest for wisdom and self-mastery.